Hi everyone, this is Mohammad Uzair and you are watching Learn with Uzair. So in this particular video, we are going to discuss how you can deploy your Power Pages site from one environment to another environment. So once the development is completed in the development environment, now it's time to move the solution from dev environment to production environment. So let's suppose this learning is as in a dev environment and this COE production as in production environment. So let me just check that I have created a site, pages site on a learning environment. All right. So as you can see, this event registration is in as an active site and this is on the learning environment. All right. So I have completed, once I have completed my development for this site, uh, I will moving this site to the production environment. All right. So before moving on the deployment part, I have also covered the basic idea what needs to be done for creating a simple Power Pages site. So if you haven't watched my previous one video, I'll just share the link over here. Alright, so that's my video in which I have covered everything which the basic idea which needs to be done for creating the Power Pages site. So I have implemented the CRUD operation using the web API and also covered the out of the box features. So it would be very helpful if you haven't watched this video uh, and if you are aiming to learning to deep dive into the pages site and the pages development. So I will highly recommend you to watch this video and I will just drop this link in the description below as well. So let's suppose you have created your pages site. So this is my site which is completely developed. So I'll just go back to my make.power apps and go back to the solutions. Let's create a solution. I will give it a name event registration pages. So I will add my all pages component into this solution. All right. So let's give it a publisher. I have created already one event registration. Let's create a solution. So so that's my solution. Let me just add my existing Power Pages site. So add existing page. And as you can see, this is my pages site, which is already present in my current environment. So I'll just select this site, click on next. So right now it is saying no object selected. I will select everything from here. So as I have selected everything from the options over here, I'll just give it a add button and it will add everything within the pages side and will add all the components within the solution. It might take some time. All right, so let's wait for a while. All right. So as you can see, all my site components has been added, and here it is my site. Sometimes it takes 2 to 3 minutes if that's a big site, and obviously the components within the site. There are a lot of components, 195. So all of these needs to be added within the solution. If somehow you have missed a component within your site, or you just created a new uh, like role, new permissions, you new web page, you just need to click come to your solution, click on your site on the three dots, advanced, and add required objects, and just give it an OK. So it will add the remaining or the new objects which you have created on your pages site. So once all the component within the site has been added within the solution, so let's go back to the uh, main page. Within here solution, I have seen that that's my solution. Now I can just give it an export solution. I'll just give it a publish. All right, so once it is published, now just click the next. All right, I will just move that as in managed, because you're moving to the production environment, and it is recommended that you export your solution as in managed environment. So let's click on export. All right, so right now it's currently exporting the solution. In a meanwhile, I can show it to you that on my COE production environment, right now there is no active site, but there is one portal site which is deactivated. So I'll just delete it from the portal management. So I don't want any site to be in my production right now. And that is how you can delete your site as well. All right, I'll check that on later. Let's go back to the our event registration pages solution, and once it is exported, I'll just click on the download. All right, so my event registration page, which is my solution, has been downloaded. Now I'll just go back to go back to this COE production. As right now you can see that there is only one active site, inactive site, and that is portal site. All right. So now I will go back to COE production environment. Once I am in the COE production environment, I will just import my solution and just browse and select the downloaded solution which I just exported from my learning environment. All right. So I'll just give it an import, and it is currently importing my solution in the COE production environment. All right. So as you can see, the solution has been imported successfully. So I'll just go on the manage solution, and here it is. And as you can see, all my 195 components has been added as a managed solution into my EOC production environment. Alright, so I'll go back to the Power Pages site. Now I'll just give it a refresh, and in inactive side you will see that I have now event registration as an inactive side. So I need to make sure that I will uh, reactivate once my uh, solution has been exported from dev to production. So I need to activate this site, and once it is activated, then you are ready to go. All right, I'm happy with this name. Just click on it, done. All right. So as I'll click on setup is not finished. All right. Just keep it that way. All right. By clicking on preview, I can click on the desktop and I can see it might take few minutes, but once it has been provisioned, then it will be ready to go. All right. The site is private, but that is fine. Let's check on the admin center. Let's check on the manage where I can see my all environments. I'll just go to the EOC production, and here I can go on a Power Pages site. As I can see, the my site is configured. All right, my site has been configured. So let's click on the site. All right. And here we are. So the reason why I'm getting that error, which I believe, yeah, so the reason which I was getting that error because due to I haven't logged in as in my as an account, my service account, which needs to be logged in as because the site is private. So if you haven't sign in as your account, your service account for the one which you are accessing these environments, so you need to like make sure that this account has is been signed in. So to make sure that, and once it is there, it is signed in, then you can see that the site is there, and I can open this site from this preview as well. So here we go. So as you can see, I have deployed my this site from my dev environment, which is my learning environment to my production environment, which is my COE production environment. So in this video, we have talked about the pages deployment. All right, so the second one is the portal one. So which is, as we know, the portals uh, is the previous name for pages, and the difference between portal and pages, I can cover that up in the next video in detail as well. But where the pages uses the enhanced data model and the previous portal uses the standard data model. So here the main difference between these two, and in the next video we are going to discuss how we can create portal site and how we can deploy our portal site from dev environment to production environment. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video and if you find this video helpful, just give it a likes, thumbs up, like this video, comment and share with your friends, and make sure to subscribe, and see you in the next one. Thank you.